In this tutorial, we will show you how to password protect a PDF file for free. So let's get started. The first step is to go to any of your favorite internet browser and search for password protect PDF. Now open the first website adobe.com password protect a PDF. Now on this page, click on the select a file button. To upload the PDF file you want to password protect, select the PDF file from your computer and click on open. After uploading the PDF file, you will be taken to the password protect a PDF page. Here you can set the password for the PDF file. Enter the password in the set password field and confirm it in the confirm password field. Now just click on set password button. Once your password protected PDF file is ready, just click on the download button. As you can see, the password protected file downloaded here. Now if I try to open this file, it will ask me to enter a password. So that's it. You have successfully added a password to a PDF file for free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.